For this video, I'm going to show you how to do the tutorials for today's assignment. First, you will need to have makecode.microbit.org open in one tab, and Lucidchart or draw.io in the other tab. Now, we are going to be using both at the same time. We will need to open up a new document in our flowchart workspace. So I'm going to click New on Lucidchart and click Blank Document. While this is opening up, I will also open on the first tutorial labeled Flashing Heart. If you can't see it, you probably just have to scroll a little bit because this part does take up quite a bit of space. So let's click on Flashing Heart. It'll give you an option to watch a video. However, the video is about 42 minutes long, so you probably don't want to watch it. Instead, click on Blocks, Start Tutorial. Now, as this is loading, let's label our new diagram. Let's call it Flashing Heart. Now here, we are reading, Learn how to use the LEDs and make a flashing heart. The first thing we want to do in Lucidchart is to write our pseudocode. So let's click on the text box, and you can either double click on the screen like this, or you can drag it over. Let's write pseudocode. Our pseudocode is that this heart will flash on and off forever. So let's write that down. The microbit will flash a heart on and off forever. We can adjust our text box so that it's bigger. So we will start this flowchart like how we start every single flowchart with an oval, and we will write, start. Now the great thing with Lucidchart is that when you hover over the object, it'll come up with these 4 dots. When you click on the dot, it automatically makes a line, and you can choose the next shape. So because it's an action, we'll click on a rectangle. Show a full heart, because that's what I see that it's doing. And then hover over it, and we want it to show a blank, LED grid. Now you'll notice that this is going forever and ever and ever, which means that this flowchart should go forever and ever and ever. However, you do not want to just copy this over and over again. You'll want to click on this red dot and drag it back. So what this means is that it will always follow this line of arrows. It'll show a full heart, show blank LED grid, then show a full heart, and show a blank LED grid. Because there are no diamonds, there are no decisions. So we know that this is a linear algorithm, even though there's a loop. So now that we have our pseudocode and our flowchart, let's click OK and start coding. It shows you exactly how you can do everything. If you click on this light bulb, it will help you out. But for now, I think we can do this on our own. So it says show a full heart. We dragged and dropped the code block into the forever loop, and now we're going to draw a full heart. Our next step is to place another show LEDs block underneath. And in this virtual microbit in the emulator, you can click on it and you can see that it's flashing forever. It shows a full heart and then a blank grid. And it does that over and over and over again. And that's it. You finished. Now to turn this in, you will want to take a screenshot. You can either download this and then take a screenshot of this, or you can just have them side by side and screenshot the whole thing. On your Chromebooks, that would be pressing Control and then the button above the 6 that looks like a square and 2 lines. That's it. Good luck. I believe in you.